Hello everyone, if you're like me and looking for new and better wireless internet solutions, then stick around for this video. We're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Alcatel LINKZONE 4G hotspot from Metro PCS. This is not free internet, but it is very inexpensive. So in this video, we're going to be testing it out to see if it's fast enough for my needs. And we're going to be going over the different hotspot plans that they offer. So here we have the Metro PCS Alcatel LINKZONE 4G LTE Hotspot. Let's go ahead and get right into it. So here in the front of the box, we have a picture of the hotspot and the Metro PCS logo. Here on the bottom, nothing. Here on the side, another Metro PCS logo. Here we have some basic information on the device, serial number and such. Here we have another Metro PCS logo. And here on the back, some basic information about the device. Hotspot, device features, 4G LTE enabled, capable of connecting up to 15 devices, including gaming consoles, tablets, and more. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So let's open it up here. Let's remove the first box. Let's put that to the side. And the second box, looks like we have the hotspot there. And here is the Alcatel LINKZONE hotspot. So it's going to have little icons up here. The Wi-Fi antenna. Let's take a look at it. So we have a nice matte front here. Here on the bottom we have the charging port. Here on this side we're going to have a small opening here to remove the back cover. And then here we're going to have the power on and off button and the WPS button. And on this side, just a plain side. And on the back is plain as well, just a matte finish to it. Let's remove the back cover. So here we have the battery. This is a 1800 mAh rechargeable battery. Under the battery here, we're going to see a slot here for the SIM card and for an SD card. And then here we're going to have the basic serial information for the hotspot device. Let's put that to the side and see what else comes with the hotspot. So here we have the wall charger adapter, your standard wall charger. This one is 5 volts, 1 amp. Let's see what else comes in here. And here we have your standard micro USB cable as well. And looks like here we have the quick start guide manual as well. Alright, let's go ahead and get the hotspot. It also comes with your SIM card for service. So here we have the hotspot. We're going to go ahead and power it on now. Press the power button, hold it for a few seconds. And all the icons should light up in blue. Once they light up, just let go of the power button. So next up, all you have to do is go on your computer, and your computer's Wi-Fi should automatically detect it. It's going to say Alcatel LINKZONE and the last 4 digits of the serial number. Try and find it. If you can't find it in your computer's Wi-Fi though, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and press the WPS button. We're going to hold it for a couple of seconds until the Wi-Fi signal turns off and then begins blinking once every like 2 seconds. Once you do that, then we can go back on the computer and it should pop up. So go ahead and click on it. It's going to ask you for your password. The password is going to be located on the back cover of the hotspot. So locate that and type it in. So let's give it a couple of seconds. As you can see here on the top of the iMac, the Wi-Fi signal is trying to connect, and there we go, it's connected. So let's go ahead and verify that. And as you can see, it has the check mark next to it. It connected to the hotspot successfully. And once it's connected, the Wi-Fi signal on the hotspot will light up in blue. Okay, so now for the fun part, let's go online now. Let's open up the web browser and check it out. We're going to surf around the web to see how fast it is, see if it freezes up. So let's go to the Metro PCS website. That way we can also check out the different hotspot plans that is offered with this device. There we go. So it loaded up the web page pretty fast. Not bad for 4G LTE hotspot. It's actually pretty quick, quicker than I thought it would be. Let's go ahead and click around here. Let's go to shop, plans, hotspot. So here it is. So here we have the hotspot. Here's the information on the hotspot. There's the price, but actually there's a promotion going on at Metro PCS. that if you just pay your first month service for the internet, for the hotspot service, you actually get the hotspot for free. So you just pay your first month service and don't pay anything for the hotspot. So with $35 a month, you get 10 gigabytes of 4G LTE internet, which is it's a lot for $35. I can't complain there. And if you need more, there's actually add-ons here that you can pay extra $5 for 2 gigabytes, $10 for 4 gigabytes, or $15 for an extra 6 gigabytes if you need more than the 10 gigabytes included. There's a couple different ways to make your payment for your service. You can make a payment here online through the website, or you can call them by phone and make the payment, or go into a local Metro PCS store. Let's go on the website browser up here. Let's go to a different website, speedtest.net, so we can run a speed test and test how fast this 4G LTE hotspot really is. And let's go ahead and click on go. So wow, the speed test is doing really good. It's up to 57 megabytes per second, 58 now megabytes per second. So it clocked in at download speed of 57.83 megabytes per second. Now it's doing the upload test. It's up to almost 12 megabytes per second. This is pretty crazy. These are high speeds, especially for a 4G LTE hotspot. I definitely didn't think the numbers were going to be this high. So this has definitely surprised me. So let me just show you here that I am connected to the Alcatel LINKZONE. As you can see, we're connected to the hotspot. I'm going to go ahead and run the test once again because I'm pretty shocked myself of these high numbers. So it's loading up here. It's about to get started, and off it goes. So the download speeds is now up to 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. And looks like it finished at 50.03 megabytes per second. That's still very good. That's very high for a 4G LTE hotspot. So now for the upload speeds, looks like it's up to 11, almost 12, there we go. 13, 14 megabytes per second upload speed. Very impressive numbers. Let's go to YouTube now and open up a YouTube video so we can see the video streaming quality. Since video does take up a lot of data, I want to see how fast it loads it up. There you go. It's looking pretty good. And how clear the image is very important as well. So the page isn't freezing or anything, and the video quality is extremely good compared to other hotspot devices that I've used in the past. So excellent quality here. And there are two ways to manage your hotspot to check out how much data you've used so far. So the first one is go to mobile.hotspot. It's going to take you to the Metro PCS hotspot page where you will enter your password, and it will take you to your account. Once you're logged in, you can click on statistics, and it will show you how much data you've used and how much you have left. The other way that we can do this is by going into the App Store and downloading the app called Alcatel Link app. So go ahead and search it in the App Store, download it. After you download it, you can open it up. But before you're able to log into it, you're going to have to go to your Wi-Fi settings and connect directly from your phone to the hotspot. So you're going to find the Alcatel Link spot on your phone, put in the password and log in. Then you can log into the app by putting in your app password. After you logged in, it's going to confirm if you want to change your Wi-Fi name. And then once you're fully logged in, it's going to give you all your information, how much battery your hotspot has left, how much devices are connected, and how much data you have left, and much more information as well. So those are the two ways to check your hotspot information, through the website or through the app. So the main thing I like about this hotspot service is that it's prepaid, so there's no contract involved. You just simply pay as you go. And also that the plan is just $35 a month for 10 gigabytes of fast 4G LTE hotspot, where they don't charge you if you go over. It just simply stops until the next month when you pay again. Alright everyone, so that's it for this video. If you enjoyed the video or if it helped you out, please give it a like. Remember, leave comments down below on suggestions for future videos. Subscribe to stay tuned for future videos like this. We're going to be giving away a brand new smartphone of your choice when we get to 100,000 subscribers. And if you're interested in making an extra $1,080 per week from home, working part-time, we're going to be having a link in the description down below that you can check out. We're going to be showing you how to be able to do this in the cell phone industry. Alright everyone, so that's it for now, and I'll see you around in the next video. And as always, peace. Ciao.